Hi everyone, James here. I was planning on doing a tag video, but I'm not lying, there is like a spider the size of my hand in my bedroom. I didn't even know we could get spiders that big over here. So there's my first line of defense. The Hoover is here. So I guess until I've got rid of the spider, I'm sleeping with the Hoover. It's not the cuddliest thing, the Hoover, but it's the one thing that will kill a spider without destroying a boot or a pair of socks. I'm terrified though. I don't like spiders. I don't mind the really little ones, but when they get big, like that one. I've got mummy's spider in my bedroom. My mummy's spider. You got mummy's spider laying eggs. And my legs in me. I'll be doing a video one day and little spiders will start crawling out of my mouth. I want to die like a spider. Especially a spider over here. I don't want to die. I don't like spiders. I'll see you when the spider's dead. Whenever that'll be. Don't see no spiders yet. I think it may have gone. It's hiding, waiting to come out. If I wanted to sign up for a booster control, I'd do. I'm a celebrity. I don't want to sleep in my comfy bed with horrible spiders. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.